Greetings, Professor and TA. The team is Dr. Patient, user experience improvement, and the client is Allscripts. The team members are Katie, Mai, Akanksha, Pranav, Raghav, and myself, Vinay. In this project, we followed a sprint phased process in which the first phase was mapping, then we sketched. On the basis of sketches and some crazy ideas, we decided the best idea. Then that idea was taken and we built a prototype on that. Further, we interviewed our friends who were selected on the basis of a certain criteria, and then we gave them our prototype and took feedback from them. And then we made changes to the prototype, which I will show you now. So this is our prototype. Here in the top bar you will see different dates. The significance of these dates are the appointments. If you want to check for summary of any appointment, you can just click on that date and you will see the summary of that date of that appointment. So like now you are seeing the appointment date 2nd of May. If you want to go back in the history and you want to see for this date, you can just click on it and it will pop up. So in the summary section, you can see the purpose of visit, the doctor's name, the notes the doctors had to give to the patient. Here the patient can also give notes to himself, and then you have the my question section, which if marked green verifies that the doctor has given that the answer is correct. Then you have the diagnosis section. In here we have taken anemia as a case study. So if the patient is diagnosed with something, it will show here. Then you have the frequently asked questions, which are with respect to anemia. Then you have the support group and counseling section, which will help the patient to deal with his mental stress and related problems. Then there is always a more information tab to go and check for any relevant information the patient needs. Then you have the medication sections. This section gives you the medicine's name, make of the medicine, the type, and the frequency. This tab is very useful for the patient to keep a check on when to take a medicine and the make of the medicine. Then you can have the lab results. In the lab results, you will have the doctor summary, and the green mark here signifies that all the lab results have been reviewed by Dr. Smith. If you check the lab results, we have used pictorial interpretation of the data for RBC count. If it is low, normal or high, normal is not colored, low will be colored red, just to tell to the patient that the range is below the expected level. So if you click on RBC count, you will see a pop-up window which will tell you a little idea about what is an RBC count. So, and if this graph will tell you like the history of the RBC count. So today like you are at 20 and 8, but few months back you were like at 7.5 and 2. So this is just a RBC count history of you, and which will help you keep a check of your growth with respect to the RBC count. The same can be found for hemoglobin and hematose rate. So in the next steps, we have taken three kind of criteria, like if you have to schedule an appointment, if you want to pick up a medicine, or if you want to read lab results. So you can just always click here, find the relevant information, and if you have scheduled an appointment, you can always say okay, I have done it. The same goes for pickup medicines. You can find the relevant information, click on it and say I have done it. So when you do these things, this means that we have completed all the tasks. So we personally feel that this is a very simple portal and will be very beneficial for the patient, as we have taken the feedback from all the interviews, the clients from Allscripts and Dr. Watson itself. Thank you.